So what is spanning tree? For any undirected graph G with vertex V and edge E given with some weights, start with any particular node, cover all the nodes. As we have weights here for any tree, we need to find out the shortest path. Look at this undirected graph with 4 nodes A, B, C, D. So what are the possibilities of spanning trees? Check it out. So we have 4 different possibilities. If we start with A to B, B to D and D to C, the total cost is 11. So weights, we have weights 5, 2, 4, and next is 14, and next is 10, and next is 8. So we need to find out the shortest path. You need to cover all the nodes of the undirected graph. So finding a minimum weight set of edges that connects all of the vertices. So we have 2 possibilities with least. Check out, the total cost is 8. So we have 2 possibilities in this also. So where do we use minimum spanning tree? You consider a telephone line that required to connect all the branches of a company, and the path causes higher cost will not be selected. So we have 2 algorithms, Prim's and Kruskal's algorithm, and both are used to find the shortest path. Shortest path algorithms, we use the term greedy approach. Look at Kruskal's algorithm. First, sort the edges, the weights of the graph in non-descending order, and from the sorted list, start with the first one. First one means the least one. Then add next one and so on. Look at this. We have an undirected graph with 5 nodes. So initially you sort all the edges. We start with BC, the least one, 1, BD, EB and CB and CD and so on, and check out, we should not form any cycle. So we start with BC, and from C check out what are the least weight. So we continued with BD, and next is your EB, and we won't go for CD because CD causes cycle. So AB. So all vertices are covered. We need to cover all the vertices with the least possible cost. So the total cost is 11. So look at the graphical representation. We have edges and weights. And what is the path? Check out the path. The total cost, the least possible cost. So we have another approach, Prim's algorithm. We start with any vertex, let it be A or anything. Keep on adding the least cost edges to the tree until all the vertices are covered, and even in this also the cycle should not be formed on adding any particular edge. So if we start with E here, add the edge with least weight. So we have 2 possibilities, EA, EB. EB is the least one, so it is EB. Now we are at B. So BC is 1 and BA is 5 and BD is 2. So we select BC 1. and we cannot go with CD, so we select BD with list. So now again DA is 5, and AB is also 5. So we select AB, and all vertices are covered, and the total cost is 11. So we have another simple example of Kruskal's algorithm. So another simple example of Prim's algorithm. So here we have few comparisons of Prim's and Kruskal's.